My skills coming back. My skills coming back.
Yeah, she thought she could do anything. Thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one. And if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jayla's Closet, and we have some new hair in the mail. Unice Hair sent me over a package, and let's open her right on up. Alright, so she comes packaged in a satin bag, and when we pull her out, this is the packaging that we get. Nice and pink and girly. Alright, let's see what unit we are working with today. My unit is inside perfectly packaged and secure. This is a 13x4 transparent wig. And this is in straight long. So that is our wig. We do have some other things inside. A wig band. Ooh, we got some press-on nails, girl. Okay. Some cute 2-minute DIY nails. Unice wants us to be a baddie, okay? And this is kind of like the nail shape that I already have. So cute. The ultimate nail makeover in minutes. And then we have a pink band to lay our baby hairs. And then this is our HD wig cap. I definitely am going to use this wig cap to make sure we protect our edges. They gave an extra HD wig cap. I think this is in a different color. So we have one color like this. This is the one that I like to use. It has a little bit more yellow. And then this one is, I would say a little bit more like taupe. So we have two. Oh my God, these are so huge and long, but look at this. Unice also gave us a Glamour Edition faux mink lash kit. We have lashes, so not only hair, not only the nails, but we also get lashes to complete our glam look. I'm so excited to get into this look. The last thing that we have in here is our instructions for care of our unit. So this is just the care instructions that we have for Unice, telling us about our wig and just more details. Unice says the year they were started was in 2016. They have 10 plus worldwide locations, over 5 million worldwide customers, over 1,000 styles, user reviews over 300,000, wigs donated over 1,000, and most popular item HD lace wig. Okay, and they are in New York, Los Angeles, and Paris. So that's in there. Ooh. I think this is some adhesive to like adhere the wig down. I don't know if I'm going to use that. Ooh, look at this straight wig, y'all. Oh, baby, this is already coming looking good. This is already coming bleached. Oh, my goodness. This is already coming done for us. It is literally coming done. So I think this is where you put the tape. What I just pulled out. So you can put tape around here and have a tape glue install. I've never done that before. Maybe we need to try. Alright guys, so I already had my product set up thinking that I was going to have to bleach the knots on this unit. But this unit came perfectly bleached that once I took it out and was just looking at it, I felt no need. I was like, let's go ahead and put this unit on as is. Like, I'm taking a look at it, and the only thing that I wanted to do is cut off a little bit more lace. So I'm going to get my scissors to cut off that lace right on the edge, but she's ready to go and be installed. So this is me cutting off that extra lace. I just have a pair of scissors that I'm carefully cutting that excess lace off, and then I'm going to take this unit into the bathroom and we are ready to put this on. Now, I already had on a bald cap, and this cap just makes sure that it's no line of demarcation once I put that wig on. So this is me putting it on. We're going to scoot it back. Boom. It's looking melted already and we ain't even did nothing. So she is a glueless unit. She is a unit that from out of the box you can just go ahead and put her on. Now I'm going to do some customization just towards my head. One, we have to cut off these ear tabs. So the lace comes down on your ear, and you're going to need to carefully make a U-shape cut so that your ear can kind of peek out. So that's what I'm doing here. I haven't done this in a long time, so I'm just trying to be careful myself with cutting and doing it myself. But I did it, girl. I did it. I said my skills coming back. My skills coming back. Once I get my ear through, we already had that tape on the edge. So I just used the tape that came already on the wig, the glue tape, to like tack those down. The extra things that I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck some more just because the hairline looks really, really good, but I just wanted to pluck a little bit more behind the hairline for my face shape. So you can do that type of customization. And I'm taking that front row of hair because that looked really good. I'm just going to kind of pluck some of the density back right there. That's really where I wanted the density to come off at. So I did that. And now we are going to be spraying some adhesive spray. And this is just a spray that can come up easily. So not any like heavy glue. And I'm going to go ahead and put my band on. And that's just going to make sure that she's down, but this is still a glueless unit because we're not using any type of glue on our hairline. We just put a little bit of spray. I'm going to use the hot comb to make sure that she is flat, and now I'm going to go into curling my hair with my curling iron, and that's really it with getting this wig from out the box and making it look good on. I am very impressed. Alright guys, so my curls have fallen a bit. I expected that because I didn't like pin my curls and let them sit. So I'm going to try out this new curling system. It's kind of like a Flexi rod. It's a big one at that. You kind of supposed to put it over your head and wrap the curls around. So I thought this was the perfect time because I wanted to take a little nap. So I thought while I take a nap, why don't we see how our curls turn out. So I'm going to clip it right there. Boom. And I have these two scrunchies that's supposed to hold it down. Oh, y'all, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, so I'm going to like take the hair kind of like if I was going to braid it, but we're just going to wrap it around. And every time I go around, I'm going to get another piece of hair to go around with it. Okay, back around. Okay, boom. Okay, and then we're gonna get another on the back, wrap around, and then we're gonna get another. Last piece. I'm gonna wrap it around. Okay, all right, so I wonder, does it bend like a Flexi rod? Okay, it doesn't bend like a Flexi rod, so that's why we have these scrunchy pieces. Okay, I'm gonna get this scrunchie, and at the end, I guess I'm going to
Still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've should've wanted.
And we can take that off. All right, so this is what it looks like and how our hair is going to be shaped into these curls. I'm going to put a bonnet on. Boom, bonnet going on. Okay, we shall see how this goes. I went downstairs and I got an Amazon package. I needed a new hair tool. This is the pencil flat iron, and this is for my baby hairs. I need extra help like creating that curl of the baby hair. So I got a really small flat iron for short hair. So boom. So like when I wake up, I can curl that baby hair and make the curl. So I'm happy I got this. This is going to be a go-to of mine for any styles that I need the baby hairs on. Huh? We're gonna get better at this, y'all. Look, you gotta like, it did it. Boom, boom, boom. That is what this is for, to do that. My skills coming back, my skills coming back. All right, y'all, I just woke up from my nap and I'm way too curious to keep this in and wait till the morning. So let's go ahead and take it off and see what it did in the matter of how long? I want to say 3 hours maybe. Let's take it off. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I can say when I was in the bed, like this part was like sticking up, but here's the moment of truth. Alright guys, my curls are in. I'm gonna have to rate this a 10. It did exactly what it said it was gonna do. It locked in my curls, gave it a nice set so they won't fall as quickly. I like. So this was my hair review for Unice hair. They have been in the game for as long as I can remember, and the quality is there. They just kept fighting to get the lace perfect, to get the plucking perfect on these units. That now it's coming in the box, a frontal ready to go, girl. So I really like this unit. Give this video a thumbs up for just the quality of this unit. Like, I think it deserves it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
You know, I love how she just stoned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still there.